Hi guys, Jim from the Jim on Homes channel. You know, our channel is really about anything homes and everything homes. And Andrea and I are very blessed and fortunate to be able to call Lido Key, Florida, our home for a few weeks a year. And they've recently been working on a project where they're re-nourishing the beach. What re-nourishing means is they're bringing in sand and making our beach a lot bigger through the various storms that we've had over the years. A lot of the sand has just washed out and just disappeared. So it's a very interesting process, and thought I would show you what's going on. Enjoy it. So welcome to my front yard. What they're doing with this re-nourishment project is they're taking these long pipes, and a couple miles out into the ocean there's a big rig, and it is pumping sand. And where you see that backhoe, he's holding a pipe up, and right now it's just pumping, it's filling up, so it'll be up in the air. And then they put an end on there, and that end will just shoot the sand backwards, and then they take all the other equipment and they start moving the sand around. Bank built up. Next, to get the bank built up, set the pipe on top, put a nozzle on the end, and let the beach flow.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. Let the oceans If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. Let the oceans
So once these fellas start pumping, it's a 24/7 operation. adding sand, making beach. I hope you enjoyed that video. I want to send a special hello out to all of our Florida friends. I want to thank them for everything they've done, especially Jessica and Chad. You guys rock. Thank you so much. And their little people. Their kids are just wonderful, wonderful children. And of course, I'm talking about Hudson. Hey, Hudson. And Kason. Kason. And little Ashton. Thanks again. I hope you enjoyed this video. And look for an update coming January of 2021. If you haven't already, please do me a favor. Click the like button. Subscribe. It just helps the channel. Thanks again.